I am 45 years old. I'm a mom of two boys, aged 12 and 15. On October 22nd, 2018, I was admitted to GVI for a heart procedure to close a hole in my heart called a patent foramen ovale. But my story really begins in December of 2013. On December 18th, I was in the car with my two boys in the back seat in a drive-thru. Suddenly, I lost feeling in the right side of my face, in my arm, and I tried to speak and I couldn't. I tried to call for help and I couldn't. And I went to Buffalo General ER for evaluation. After several tests, it was found that I had a TIA, a transient ischemic attack, also called a mini stroke. They found the likely cause of the stroke was this PFO, which is a hole between the right and the left atria of the heart that's supposed to close at birth, and mine did not. So I went on with my life, carried on as an active mom of two, worked as a nurse practitioner, returned to kind of my healthy, active lifestyle, trying to put that day behind me. I competed in the Buffalo Half Marathon in 2016, 2017, 2018. In January 2018, I turned 40. I felt like I was in the best shape of my life, physically and mentally. In July 2018 of that same year, I suffered a concussion. About a month later, my symptoms from the concussion worsened, so I went in for further testing, and they found that I had had an ischemic stroke within the 5 days prior to that scan. It was recommended that I have the hole in my heart closed. And it was then that I was referred to Dr. David Zlotnick at the Gates Vascular Institute. I met with him, he explained the procedure, he specializes in the procedure, and I felt confident that I could receive this care right here close to home. So that brings me to October 22nd, 2018, where I was checked in and admitted to the hospital to have that procedure done. So I was, of course, nervous. I remember that Monday morning that I checked into Gates Vascular, and I was so nervous, but I was quickly relieved and comforted by the staff at GVI, the doctors, the nurses, the radiology techs. They comforted me, they relieved me, and they made me so confident in my care. Dr. Zlotnick and the team will always be a superhero to me. Their work, their compassion, their passion for what they do, their knowledge and their skill, and their ability to take the latest research and put it into practice right here and save lives every single day, to me is incredible, indescribable, and they will always be a superhero to me. People just need to realize how incredible it is that we have this right here in Western New York. I mean, this is a life-saving facility with the latest research. They're putting these incredible procedures into practice here every single day, from the state-of-the-art emergency room to the operating rooms where these procedures are being done regularly with the latest research and really world-class care. I think it's incredible that it's right here in Western New York. One day you will tell your story of how you've overcome what you are going through now, and it will become part of someone's survival guide. I was on a flight to Florida with my family, and approximately 45 minutes into the flight, I witnessed a gentleman a few rows ahead of me go unconscious, and the flight attendants yell for medical professionals on board. As I was helping him, it seemed like several long minutes that he, laid there, but he, luckily came and was alert and oriented, and I was able to kind of keep him stable on the flight. As I was taking care of him, I looked back and saw my two sons watching, and my one youngest son even gave me a thumbs up. And it was really in that moment that I realized really a lesson in kindness, humanity. I'm grateful that I was able to help him. I'm positive I was on that flight for a reason, and I'm glad I could be part of his story. It's so important if you feel something that doesn't feel right. If you think something is wrong, get checked out, because it would have been so easy for me to go home and not get checked out, and the outcome may have been very different if I didn't. I feel great. I'm so grateful. Not a day goes by that I don't think about what I've been through. It definitely makes a mark on my life forever. I'm forever grateful for Gates Vascular Institute, Dr. Zlotnick, and the team that helped me, get where I am today. And I do believe they saved my life.